Hi everyone, this is my new LED light which I bought from Lumary. It's a Lumary gimbal recessed light, and I'm gonna just check my box. I got a 4-pack of them, so I'm gonna use in my room. I will soon buy 2 paints on my wall, so this is one of the best I think on the shopping list to buy and to set in my room. So let's check the box and we'll see what we have inside. So our box comes 4 packs, but I'm gonna open up just 1 pack, and it has one guide which is a manual guide, so you can check what you can do, and it has some over here a couple of questions if you need to just check the FAQ, and also has a template of hole cut for your home ceiling, if you are going to put it on your ceiling or if you are going to put in your wall. This is the template, so you can just trace it with a pencil and just cut with the saw. And also has those 3 orange holders, so you can just put your cables inside it for both sides and just put it inside this driver box. And also which I'm just amazed with the light, it has 90 degrees swivel and also 360 degrees horizontal, which moves around all over the place. So whenever you put on your wall or on your ceiling, you can just trace your paintings or whatever you have on the wall or on your ceiling. You can do a creative lighting over here. Now at this point I'm gonna show you how you can set up your light. First of all, you have to download Lumary application on your smartphone, which is Android or iPhone. It works for both of them. And also you need to know your Wi-Fi password, which we are gonna need it to pair the light with your application. Please make sure, if you want to set your light with a dimmer, you shouldn't have a dimmer with your light, because you can control your light with your application. So just make sure you don't have it. And then now we're gonna start it. So I downloaded the Lumary application, so you can just sign up or log in here, which I'm gonna log in. I already have an account over here. So you can create an account, and after that you will just come over here, which we're gonna add our device. So I'm just gonna plug in my light and show you how you can set your device over here. So after that, when I plugged in my light, so you will see it's like a flashing here. So you will choose add device and we'll use your location. So now it's searching for the device. It's gonna find this one. If it doesn't flashing like that, you have to plug in and plug out again. So it found it. So I'm gonna just use my password here for my Wi-Fi. So now you can see my light is getting paired over here. So after that, I'll show you how you can just manage it. So yes, it's done. Now I'll show you. Yes, now we are here. So you can use this timer however you like. You can change the color, which you can see like that. Here is a warmer and here is kind of brighter. You can choose any color over here. So you can go to any scene over here and choose whatever you like, maybe working or leisure or a colorful thing or like gorgeous. From that theme, the dazzling, it changed everything. If you choose like something like day night light, so you can see right here. And also you can choose a music, or you can just open your music from another application and just start over here and definitely it's gonna change the color. And also you can schedule for your morning wake ups, or you can like set a timer over here, which is all up to you. That you can see here, it's our like light is very bright, and you can use this like such a timer. You can just work on here, just decrease the brightness as much as you want, which I'm gonna just set it up like 10%. And also over here you can just create a group right over here if you are gonna have like a couple of lights, so you can set it. And also you can control your device from Alexa, Google Assistant, and also Siri. And if you want a control with your family, definitely you can share your device right over here with your family members or friends. And this light is definitely works amazing, so you can just work on the swivel, so you can just move it as much as you want it. So it's like has like 360 degrees and 90 degrees, which you can put on your wall. Definitely it's a good one. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to answer you. Thank you for watching.